Hey guys, I'm back with a brand new video of Mandala art. And as you all know that Valentine's Day is almost here, and I know most of you must be planning to gift your loved one something really special. So I thought of making a card and decorating with mandala art around it. And it seemed like a good idea to me. I hope it does to you as well. Today I'll be using three colored pens, red, blue and green, to decorate the artwork, and actually this is the first time I am myself using colors in my mandala. Otherwise I always choose to go with black. So it's gonna be an experiment for me and for you as well. So let's begin the experiment together. So I've made a board with a couple sitting inside it and holding hands, and I'm making the outlines with pencil again to avoid mistakes. And I suggest you guys to do the same. And drawing a mandala can seem very difficult at first, but it's actually the opposite. The intricate look of a mandala comes from following a rhythm which turns a little effort into stunning result. And doing the same thing over and over and advancing despite it is very relaxing and let you stay in the moment. Intricate geometric composition created on a base of a circle have a deep spiritual meaning in Hinduism and Buddhism. They represent the whole of a universe, and they can be used as an exercise or for meditation. Recently, the basic idea of drawing a radial pattern has been also adopted by the Western world as a tool of therapy and simply relaxation. There's one more thing you need to draw a mandala, and that is a proper mindset. Sure, you can treat it as a normal drawing with certain goal in mind, but you can gain more than just the satisfaction of a pretty artwork if you do it properly. Treat it as a meditation session. Sit comfortably in a quiet or with some good music around you and focus on this one activity. Let yourself be creative. Don't restrain yourself from drawing something experimental just because there's a risk it will not look good in the end. There should be no shame in drawing a mandala. No matter how you do it, how it looks, it's good because you have created it. The circle with a center pattern is the basic structure of creation that is reflected from the micro to macro in the world as we know it. It is a pattern found in nature and is seen in biology, geology, chemistry, physics, and astronomy. On our planet, living things are made of cells, and each cell has a nucleus. All the display circles with centers. The crystal that forms ice, rocks, and mountains are made of atoms. Each atom is a mandala. Within the Milky Way galaxy is our solar system, and within our solar system is Earth. Each is a mandala that is a part of larger mandala. Let's come back to our video. As you can see, I've almost filled half of my page with mandalas. When I started, I had no specific design in my mind, so in a way, I went on an exploration with my pen on this piece of paper. I came up with random designs, consistently maintained the pattern with symmetry and uniformity. Now I'm going to mention 4 very important points to keep in mind while drawing your mandalas. First, divide the sheet horizontally and vertically along the center. This gives perfectly symmetrical and consistent drawing. It will help the minute details of mandala look very crisp and sharp. Dividing the page helps in better allocation of space and gives a perfect symmetrical drawing with less effort and rework. Second, draw concentric circles with the help of an instrument to create space for your patterns to be drawn. Essence of mandala art lies in different intricate patterns drawn inside these concentric circles. Third, start filling up the areas of your concentric circles with your choice of pattern following the symmetry. Fourth, try to add minute details as much as you can in your mandala. Also, while drawing repetitive patterns with bigger shape containing the next similar smaller shape, always draw outermost shape first and then the next inner one. This saves time and effort on repeated work. For example, If you go the other way, that is, draw the inner shape first, and if not enough space is left for the next outer shape, then lot of rework may be required. So, always start with the biggest size and then proceed to next smaller inside shape. Also, I want you guys to know that there are no rules or guidelines on how a mandala should look like. You can make it look however you want it. You can add more patterns and motifs to make it look detailed or leave it simple and plain. Each one has its own charm. You can add depth and shading to the drawing to make it more realistic and complex. What's more, you can even draw a square mandala. That would give mandalas a geometric and interesting feel. Once you keep drawing more mandalas, you will come up with your own shapes and designs to make them, and you will draw them faster. Eventually, you will develop your own style of creating mandalas. Just don't get disheartened in the beginning if your drawing looks messy and bad. Keep doing more and more, and you will soon be able to make some beautiful mandalas. The main goal of working with mandalas is to achieve harmony between our inner state of being and the outer world. We can work with mandalas in different ways. One can study existing mandalas, color mandala patterns, or draw their own. Drawing mandalas is a wonderful form of art therapy, which relaxes the body, the mind, and helps improve concentration and creative thinking. Mandala can help us look into the depths of our being and discover our highest potentials or heal our deepest wounds. Through mandalas, we can make a strong connection with our highest self and begin to live a more joyful, happy, peaceful, and fulfilling life.